The second portfolio project that we're going to spend our time on as well we're going to go back to one of the original parts of our strategic plan, and that's in power skills. We're seeing real pockets of success across the school district, but it's some schools, it's some teachers that are doing it really well. We want to ensure a greater sense of consistency across the district, both in how they are implemented and the support provided our educators to making them implemented. And we especially want to make sure that we understand how power skills are learned and practiced in a virtual context, because now that is becoming so much more of our reality. So through this portfolio project, really our goal is to formalize the structure around power skills. We've defined them. It's taken the time to define them. Again, numbers of schools are really working great at it, but now what we want to do is we want to formalize that process. Dr. Guyton, you often talk about the chicken sandwich. So this is right around your wheelhouse, is the chicken sandwich around power skills. I'm not sure chicken sandwiches are any longer on our diet plan, but you know, if it has to be, I guess, in avocado oil or something like that. So in conclusion, as we look ahead for this year, I wish that I could tell you that we have clarity, but that we do not have that. The questions that we still have to answer are incredibly complicated, and they are more complicated by our living in a pandemic and living with COVID-19. And there are going to be questions that we're really dealing with that aren't going to have right answers. In fact, I know we'll have some citizens tonight who are speaking about complicated issues about how we come back to school and what does that look like. But it's going to be imperative that we continue to collaborate, build off of our teamwork, build off of that collective expertise and experience that we have, because truly, in fact, we are stronger together. So, ladies and gentlemen of the board, that is the conclusion of our board workshop. I thank you so much for your attention tonight. I know it's going to be a late night, and thank you for your flexibility. And again, to the audience, I appreciate your patience as we're going through our board workshop.
Let's give all the presenters a round of applause, because they've done a lot of work to make tonight happen. And thank you, Dr. Lilly. This time we're going to take a break until 9 o'clock. I'll be honest, I have to stand up for a minute. So if we'll be back at 9 o'clock, we'll go back into our regular board meeting. And then those of you that are here for citizens participation, I promise we're getting to you. So don't give up on us yet.